Hi Pete, I just wanted to get back to you with some of my results. Thank you for this software. It's brilliant and it works, and I've got some proof to show you. Let me just go to, there we go. Now I've done about, I don't know, 90 runs so far I suppose, and this is one run that I did. It had 20 keywords and I got about 12 first page rankings from it. And it's in a, what we say, a medium to lower competition term and keyword niche. So now, so you can see here, 4 ads, someone else, and then my site at number 2. Then another keyword is at number 3 and 4. Another one is at 3 and 4. Another keyword 4. Another one at 2 and 3. Another one at 2. And this is all on page 1. Another term at number 1. Number 2. Another one at number 1. Number 1. Another one at number 1. Another one at number 2 and 3. And I've got to say, this is a great concept. Pete, the idea of building your own sites that you get to keep is so much better than the concept of building authority to someone else's website where you earn some money but you have no equity in the site and you don't even know if you get paid, or if you only get half paid, which is what happens sometimes, as we all know. But this concept, now if you compare, now this is a website here, my asset that I built for a friend, and she's a hairdresser and I'll do it for a friend. But even there, I'm doing it for her, but I've got all the redirects and the site belongs to me. So if she ever goes out of business or moves away or something, I still own the work that I put in. I still own on this site, and this is why this is a superior product than so many things that I've seen and worked with. It's not hard work to build authority sites, and you can build hundreds of them. And now all the work is basically for me, instead of for someone else's site, and then they get the benefit, they get the asset. Here, all the work is for me. It's my asset. I can be selling the traffic for years and years and years. If I lose a client, I don't lose the work that I put in. It's just a win-win all round, and this is very good software on a number of levels. I mean, the fact that it ranks so well. But and as time goes on, any time that I want, I can build more links to these websites, and it's work that I will never lose because I keep them. And so if some new whiz-bang link building program comes along, I can use that as well sometime and build more links into an already powerful website. So I can have a network of internet real estate that works for me, and I totally control it. Now, as long as I look after them, and these sites, you should never do spammy things because they're a real asset that need to be looked after. And so anyway, that's my results. Just wanted to show you, and thank you, Pete, for such a great software. And to Max, good on you. Keep up the good work.